And shifting our attention back to the latest remark that was made by Manishankar Aiyar, which has raised several eyebrows. We shift our attention back to that as several political reactions are trickling in as we speak. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has also responded. She says it's an old reaction. Why is the BJP raking this now? Remember, this goes back to almost a month. So it's a month-old reaction that Manishankar Aiyar has given. And Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's defense is that this is an old statement. The BJP need not blow this out of proportion. So that's the reaction coming in from Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Remember, there are several in the Congress who have come out to say that this is not the party's official position. This is not what the party truly believes in. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra once again reiterating what some of them have come out to say, that this is an old reaction. The BJP is trying to make electoral gains out of it by raising it in the midst of the election season. So that's Priyanka Gandhi Vadra essentially questioning the timing of how the BJP has really picked up on this particular remark coming in from Manishankar Aiyar, which goes back to close to a month ago. Let me go across to Pallavi joining us live on the broadcast. Pallavi, the Congress may, attempt to downplay the entire episode. It may come out to say that this is an old reaction. It may come out to also say that this is not the party's official position. But that doesn't change the fact that Manishankar Aiyar has uttered those words, those sentences. And not for the first time. He's spoken against India's interests, tone a pro-Pak line time and again. And that's what has given BJP fresh ammunition to raise it once again.
That's right. I mean, they may be downplaying that entire comment which is coming from Manishankar Aiyar, but the fact that a Pawan Khera was fielded where he issued a clarification and also distanced himself and that of his party from Manishankar Aiyar's comments means that the Congress really doesn't want to take any chance. In fact, I would see in Priyanka Gandhi Vadra the reflection of this strategy, because the more they engage on this, the more they strongly defend Aiyar, or the more they keep on criticizing what he said, the more engagement this entire argument gains. Whether it is Manishankar Aiyar, whether it was questioning of the Pulwama strikes, issues of nationalism and national interest is something on which the Congress party has always found itself on a back foot. Every phase of election is very critical now. The upcoming phases are such where the Congress party really needs to do well, and therefore it doesn't want to take any chance. But the BJP is also aware of it, which is why the BJP is going to mount its case against the Congress and say whether it was 2019, whether it was 2014, whether it's Manishankar Aiyar, whether it's Sam Pitroda, none of these leaders are reined in because they have their proximity to the Gandhi. So essentially they're reflecting the thinking within the Congress and that of the Gandhi family.
Absolutely. And look at the narrative and how the BJP is carefully using it to its advantage, Pallavi, wherein the BJP is saying the nation now needs to thank the Prime Minister for teaching Pakistan a lesson without waging a war. This is a country that has time and again attempted to bleed our nation. And that is what Manishankar Aiyar has said. He's spoken of talks with this nation yet another time. That's the kind of narrative that the BJP is weaving as we speak. Let's listen into the other reactions coming in.
ये है मणिशंकर अय्यर कि अपने देश को ही बोलते हैं, अपने देश की सेना को ही बोलते हैं कि अपनी सुरक्षा के लिए कदम मत उठाओ, आतंकवाद करने वाले देश के सामने गिड़गिड़ाओ और बात करो और आतंकवादी भेजने के लिए उनकी इज्जत करो। इसी के चलते 26/11 के बाद मनमोहन सिंह की सरकार ने सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक, एयर स्ट्राइक नहीं की थी, बल्कि मोस्ट फेवर्ड नेशन दिया था, स्टेटस दिया था, और हर दूसरे तीसरे सप्ताह आतंकवादी घटनाएं होती थी।
ये कांग्रेस का खौफ, ये डर या फिर पाकिस्तान प्रेम, ये बार बार खुलकर आता है। और कांग्रेस के नेता रहते तो हिंदुस्तान में हैं, दिल पाकिस्तान में है, और डराने का काम हिंदुस्तान को करते हैं। अरे पाकिस्तान की क्या हिम्मत कि हिंदुस्तान की तरफ आंख उठाकर भी देखे। भारत मुंह तोड़ जवाब देना जानता है, दिया भी है, बार बार दिया है, और इसलिए तो पाकिस्तान का हाथ कांग्रेस के साथ दिखता है। बार बार बयान इस तरह क्या रहे पाकिस्तान के कांग्रेस के समर्थन में, और यहां से कांग्रेसियों के पाकिस्तान के समर्थन में। ये रह यहां पर गए कुछ कांग्रेस के नेता, लेकिन दिल और दिमाग से अभी भी ये पाकिस्तान के साथ है।
मणिशंकर अय्यर जी की कोई ऑफिशियल पोजीशन नहीं है। इसलिए वो जो कहते हैं उनका व्यक्तिगत है, कांग्रेस का ऐसा कोई मत नहीं है। कांग्रेस इसके ऊपर कुछ नहीं बोल रही है।
पाकिस्तान के पास एटम बॉम्ब हो सकता है, भारत के पास नरेंद्र मोदी है। ये शायद मणिशंकर अय्यर ने भूल गए हैं। कांग्रेस पार्टी और पाकिस्तान की ये जो लव स्टोरी है, ये 4 जून को कंप्लीट हो जाएगा और बंद हो जाएगा। कांग्रेस पार्टी इज द क्रिएटर ऑफ पाकिस्तान। इसलिए कांग्रेस पार्टी को पाकिस्तान के प्रति इतना प्यार है और स्वाभाविक रूप से पाकिस्तान कांग्रेस पार्टी को प्यार रेसिप्रोकेट कर रहे हैं।